Hi friends, welcome back to Jolys kitchen. Today we are going to make Kerala style carrot stir fry recipe. You will really enjoy this South Indian carrot recipe. Let's move to the video. In a pan, take 2 tablespoons oil and heat it. Add half teaspoon mustard seeds and wait until it splutter. Then add 4 chopped garlic cloves. Saute it for 1 minute. Now add 1.5 chopped onion. Saute it for 3 to 4 minutes on medium flame. Then add 1 teaspoon Kashmiri Red Chilli Powder. Mix it well. Saute it for 1 to 2 minutes on medium flame. Now we can add 6 chopped carrot to it. Mix it well. Add 1.5 teaspoon salt. Mix it together. Cook for 7 to 8 minutes. Finally, add 1 teaspoon pepper powder. And mix it together. Cook for another 2 to 3 minutes.
If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and support. To receive latest video notification, don't forget to enable bell icon.
Now we can add some curry leaves for better taste. Our tasty Kerala style carrot stir fry recipe is ready.
If you enjoyed this video, please press like button. Also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Comment below your suggestions. We will come back with another video. Thanks for watching the video.